Hey guys, today I think I'll try something a little bit different and show you how I attempted to make a 2-ingredient chocolate cake. Now I got this recipe from the OnePotChef on YouTube. I'll have his information listed down below. But for this cake I used dark chocolate, Lindt, which was 90%, Merci, which was 72%, and PC, President Choice, dark chocolate, which was 70%. And on the dark chocolate one, they made sure to let you know that it was straight from France. First, I just took a look at the packaging for each chocolate, and I unwrapped them here. It was pretty legit. The Lindt one had a sealed tinfoil wrapping. The cheaper ones did not. And as you can see here, they're all dark chocolate, with the 70% chocolate, the President's Choice, the big bar at the top, looking the lightest, with the chocolate on the left looking the darkest. That's the 90%. This recipe was pretty easy. You just had to cut up the chocolate and microwave it a couple of times, 30 seconds for each time, mixing in between until you got a chunk-free, pretty liquidy chocolate mix, which I did. It took about 4 times in the microwave. The next ingredient, and the only other ingredient, is eggs, 4 to be exact. Now you have to separate these eggs from the yolks and the whites, and then mix up the whites with a whisk until they are soft peaks like you see here. And it's pretty cool how the transformation happens from the clear whites of the egg to these peaks. I think they use this in some drinks in Peru. They just topped off their shots with that. So as you can see here, I have the chocolate, the egg yolks, and the beaten egg whites. To the chocolate I added the egg yolks, and I got a pretty thick consistency. Then the recipe calls to add in the egg whites, but you have to fold them in, not mix them in. So that process took a while. And then I came out with this like really gooey clump of almost wet dough. The next I cut out these wax paper pieces and put them on the bottom of my cake pan, or cupcake pan, because I thought the batter was too thick. As you can see here, my end results look half brownie, half cookie, but it was definitely cakey. It had crumbs and everything, so it turned out well. Here's cleanup. And the person that I gave it to appreciated it. She actually likes dark chocolate. I thought they came out a bit too bitter, so the next time I do this, I'll probably mix in more light chocolate, or milk chocolate, and probably bring down the percentage of the dark chocolate. The person I gave it to, shout out to Diana, she also gave it to her little niece and her brother-in-law, and her niece said she liked it, and her brother-in-law said that it's good, but you definitely need some milk with it, which I think I would agree with. So that was just my quick little video on an easy recipe to make 2-ingredient cake, cookie, brownie, I don't know. I hope you enjoyed.